Wow. My old phone, using my old phone to record, it's so weird. It has one-time zoom. It doesn't zoom out any more than one times. But yeah, anyways. I'm just off work right now, and this thing showed up on my front door because Amazon dropped it off. I saw it on Amazon. It was 13% off, and it had a $20 coupon, so I thought I'd give it a try. So in my 2023 4runner, it does not have wireless Android Auto. Same with my 21 Toyota Tacoma. It's a wired connection for Android Auto, but it has a wireless charger, which I never use because when I plug it in, it's already charging it. Plus, when I plug it in and want to use the wireless charger, it doesn't. it won't charge it wirelessly with it plugged in. So the wireless charger is completely useless. So, anyways, we're in my 4runner, and I want to have wireless Android Auto, so I don't have to keep using the cable, right? And this is for all you Toyota guys with their 4runners and Tacomas. I think your 4runner would have to support Android Auto because I think up until 2020 is when they had Android Auto in the 4runner. I'm not too sure about that. Somebody can chime in the comments with if you have an older 4runner before 2020. But yeah, so there's no real good place for my phone to put in here because this is where I typically put it, right? It won't fit into here. It won't fit into there. And then the only place that'll fit is like here, but when you gotta have it plugged in, it's kind of an awkward position. So it's gonna be like sticking up here like that, but then when the missus sits on this side, this thing's on her lap. So I typically just route it like that around here, and then my phone just sits like right there. That's how I keep my phone. So now with this adapter, hopefully it's good. We'll find out. I can just keep my phone in my pocket. I don't have to put it out here or anything. So first thing I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna unpair the Bluetooth on my phone from my car. Let's see. So I get Toyota 4runner. Unpair. I think that's what I got to do. Maybe. Oh no, I'll just leave everything else. I still got my Tacoma on there. You also have to go. I read the little manual. You have to turn on wireless Android Auto on your phone. So let me just pull it out of the box. There we go. So that's that. This is all it comes with. That's pretty much it. So I think the manual says plug it in, turn the car on, turn off my fan, and then look for music. See if I can find it down here. Failed to connect to 4runner. The pin, blah blah blah. No. My device name is Sorry No Nudes because everywhere I go, somebody's trying to connect to my phone. I had one time my next door neighbor, for some reason, he was trying to connect to my phone. I'm like, so and so was trying to connect to your phone. Okay, so stop trying to connect to the 4runner. Smart box, there it is. Connecting to that. And then we'll see. Still pairing. Oh, there we go. Allow Bluetooth pairing. Pair. Let's see now. Let's what do we got? It's got a menu. Is this gonna work? Oh, there we go. Android Auto. So wireless. Nice. Okay. So I have it paired. So what if I So what if I turn it off? Right? Turn it off. Turn it back on again. Does it bring me back to wireless Android Auto? Or do I have to connect it? What was that? There's nothing, so it just, my Bluetooth just connected. So let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so it does automatically connect. So I can just leave this in here. This thing is going to be touching the my shifter here. So maybe I can just stick it into like there or something. Put it over here. I don't know. Maybe I'll just bend it. Just like hanging. So I got wireless Android Auto. That's great. I'm gonna keep using it for the next couple of weeks and then see how it is. So as you can see, yeah, it automatically connected pretty quickly. The setup was pretty easy, yeah. So for you Toyota guys that are using a wired connection for your Android Auto, I think this might be a game changer. Now I don't have to find a place to put my phone every time I, go to drive. But I've been looking at a lot of reviews on Amazon, and it's got a lot of good reviews. There are bad reviews, but those bad reviews were about having it try to connect for the first time and it wouldn't connect. But then I kept reading the reviews, and somebody was saying that make sure you disconnect the Bluetooth from your car Bluetooth first before you connect it to this thing. So I think it's just because they're trying your phone's trying to connect to two different Bluetooth devices, and it won't work. But as you can see, it connected pretty quickly once the first thing I did was disconnect it from my car first before I connected to that. They also have the one for Apple Carplay. It's just a different symbol, same looking thing, but I'm using Android. I kind of stopped using iPhone ever since my iPhone 5. The battery started expanding in there, and then I took it to the Apple store because I think I had Apple what do you call it? Apple Care, and yeah, I guess I was a month out of Apple Care, and they told me to go pound sand and try to sell me a new phone. So I went on Amazon, bought myself a new battery and a toolkit for less than $15. Changed the battery myself, got rid of the phone, got myself an Android phone. And then a couple months later, they came out with a recall of the battery expanding in your phone. That was a long time ago. So ever since then, I'm never using an iPhone. I've been using the OnePlus. It's been a great phone for half the price of an iPhone. They're getting up there, but still cheaper than an iPhone or a Samsung phone. I think this OnePlus 9 was $1,000. I bought my fiance what is it, iPhone 13 Pro Max or something, and that thing was like over $2,000, and she uses my phone for the camera more than her iPhone. So I'm like, why didn't I just get you this phone and rather than buy you an iPhone? Because she just used my camera. This thing has the Hasselblad Snapdragon processor or something like that, but I really like the OnePlus phones. So the one in my hand right now is a OnePlus 6, and that thing lasts me for a while. There's nothing wrong with this phone. Now it's just a spare phone that I use to go traveling with. And then this phone, this is my daily, so yeah. But anyways, I'll let you guys know in the next couple of weeks if this thing's a flop, if I have any connection issues, and I'll let you guys know. So see you then in a couple of weeks. All right, so quick update. It's been a week. Just want to talk about the wireless Android Auto with this little dongle here that I got on Amazon. It's been working flawlessly, just commuting back and forth every day from work. And I did a 3-hour road trip over a long weekend. Went to the islands with the family. Went by the lake and had a little bit of a family time. And it also worked flawlessly. No cutting out, no lag, no issues. And yeah, so far I feel like this is a very good purchase that I've got. But other than that, I just want to give a personal thank you to this one person right here who gave me a donation, and I just want to say thank you. But other than that, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.